Hello viewers, in our previous video we have reviewed about this camera. Today we will unboxing another brand new camera from Xiaomi Smart Dash camera. The Smart Dash camera consists a lot of features like ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, loop recording, ordinary recording, emergency recording, and the most amazing thing is Advanced Driver Assistance System ADAS package, built-in intelligent driving assistance to ensure safety driving. Advanced image recognition algorithms provides real-time intelligent lane departure warning and forward collision warnings and alerts the driver. Is very essential. Yes, this camera comes from Xiaomi, and this is very smart dash camera. Its resolution is very high. Ultra HD resolution can be reached with software. Of course, you can operate this camera from your Android or iPhone. There is an application for your mobile smartphone, and you can view the videos and operate the camera from your mobile. YI Smart Dashcam apps, and you can also you must have an opportunity to insert a TF card up to 64 GB TF card it supports. Well viewers, this YI Smart Dash camera have 6 glass lenses, which is very important for dash camera. So viewers, you can buy this product from us. So viewers, if you find this video helpful to you, then please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Drive smart, drive safe.